MG has confirmed that its new Marvel R electric SUV will be available in Europe, giving it a competitively priced competitor to C-segment EVs like the Kia e-Niro and Nissan Leaf. The Marvel R is the first European market vehicle to feature MG's new iSmart infotainment platform, which operates via an expansive 19.4 inches central touchscreen and a 12.3 inches digital display, and includes plenty of connected features such as live traffic information, weather forecasts, and Amazon Music compatibility, and is kept up to date via over-the-air software updates. The new system also includes a Wi-Fi hotspot and smartphone mirroring for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a dedicated smartphone app can be used to remotely access various car features, such as route planning, calendar synchronization, and charging schedule management. The Marvel R also includes an enhanced suite of advanced driver aids as standard, as well as dual-zone climate control, privacy glass, a panoramic sunroof, part leather upholstery, and a 6-way electrically adjustable driver's seat. The Marvel R is also the longest model in the MG lineup, measuring 4,674 mm long with a 2,804 mm wheelbase. A close match for the similarly priced Skoda Enyaq IV. Its 357-liter boot expands to 1,396 liters when the rear seats are folded down, and rear drive models have an additional 150 liters of storage space in the front. The comfort and luxury models have a dual-motor, rear-wheel drive powertrain with 178 horsepower and 302 pounds-ft of torque for a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 7.9 seconds, while the performance adds a motor on the front axle, increasing output to 285 horsepower and 490 pounds-ft and cutting the 0 to 62 miles per hour time by 3.0 seconds. The Marvel R starts at $46,052 in comfort trim and goes up to $55,292 in performance trim. It replaces the HS SUV, which is available with either a pure gas or plug-in hybrid powertrain, as the MG range's flagship, bringing a slew of new design cues and technological features that will trickle down to its siblings. Several shared features are already available on the updated CSEV crossover.